everyone, welcome to my messier than usual workspace. As you can probably gather from the background of a lot of wasted paint, today has been all about experimenting. I tried a certain idea I had about a pearl pour a little while ago. That didn't work, so I wanted to use the paints I already had for something else, and I thought, let's do a swipe. I like doing swipes, even though I haven't posted any videos about them, but they're fun and really nice looking usually, the results. So I have my Amsterdam black, the oxide black as a base. This is really thick. I've had to spread it with my fingers a little bit. Wait, now I need to see what I did with it. I think it's one part Amsterdam paint and one part Australian Floetrol and nothing else, no water added. Then I have my colors, Amsterdam Carmine, which is a really nice red, and a deep gold. These are mixed 1 part paints and 2 parts Australian Floetrol. And I'm gonna see if I can get some nice cells going. I've got one of these pastry brushes. It's a silicone one, so it should be easy to clean, hopefully. But it's not very wide, so I'll be doing a lot of swiping here. Let me just get rid of a stray hair. So while I swipe away, I'll put some music on for you and I'll speed up this video. Please subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll get notified whenever I publish a new video. So yeah, I'll put some music on for you and I will speak to you in a bit. Okay, that's the swiping done. Now, like I said, the paints are really thick in this painting, so obviously you're not going to get cells, even with the Australian Floetrol. They're just, and even with swiping, the paints are just so thick. But that's quite all right, because I had an idea a little minute ago. I'll show you what I am going to do. Let's get your words right, will you? Okay, so from a previous attempt, let me just wipe the bottom of this cup so I don't drizzle random gold paint everywhere. I have a tiny bit of really thin, what is this? Art Deco 24 karat gold mixed with Australian Floetrol and water, and this is really thin. So what I thought to do is flick it. Just dip it into the gold paint slightly and then flick some on here. Let's see if anything happens. Hopefully something will happen. I'm trying to get the flicked gold paint roughly to follow the gaps there. Yeah, roughly. There we go. But that's okay. Doesn't need to be precise. It is abstract art after all, isn't it? There we go. And now you can actually see cells happening. Yeah, that's pretty cool. What do you think? I'm gonna just wipe my brush. Oh, all these poor kitchen tools are just painting tools nowadays. I'm sure a lot of you know exactly what it's like. All your drainers and your sort of sink, what are those called, that you put in your sink to catch your bits of food, all those are in with your paintings now. And the next one is the poor pastry brush. Also all my tin foil is in my studio, and you know, but it's just so much fun, and you can get new kitchen things surely. Oh, I like how those cells are now forming. That looks really cool. And I'm not worried about this the gold that I flicked on being really thin, because it's on top of very thick paint. So I'm not worried about the consistency being so thin and the integrity of the paint not necessarily being quite what I would want it to be. So I'm gonna leave it there. Let me know in the comments what you think, and hit subscribe and the notification bell, and then you'll know the next time I publish a video. Thanks ever so much for joining me in this day of experiments. Days like this are always a lot of fun, and hopefully I've inspired some of you to do some experiments of your own. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.